Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to download Lunar Client for Minecraft. The first thing that you have to do is click on your browser. Mine is Google, and then type in Lunar Client Download. Click on enter and press on the first link. And guys, if you're on Windows, download for Windows, on Mac for Mac, Linux for Linux. And then guys, just press on download for Windows. After it has downloaded, double click and then choose your language. Mine is English. I'll choose English. And then click on next. If you agree to these, agree. And then click on next again. And then now Lunar itself will start downloading. Until Lunar is downloaded, you can close your browser and then wait for Lunar to download. And then guys, after Lunar has downloaded, you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Because I'm already signed in, I'll say continue as Ronnie. And then you will sign into your account. And then guys, when you say launch game, or launch game, but if it's your second time, like you just logged into your account normally, it might say import files. So if it says that, do import files as well. Now the game is launching. If you want to cancel your launch, you can just easily click on this. So now I want to do an in-depth video, but if you guys really want it, write down in the comments on should I do an in-depth Lunar video. And now guys, this is me editing the part that is gonna show you how to do the Lunar option stuff. My files got cropped like 5 times. I tried to record it a lot and it didn't work. And guys, if you really want me to make a video about it, I'll fix it and make another video on how to use Lunar Client. And that's another video. Please like and subscribe then. And I hope you have a great day.